Yeah, we're in Ribeira Brava.
There you
Oh, I said it right. And we're just getting a cacao, which is like a hot chocolate, but nicer. It's not Nesquik. If you ask for hot chocolate, you get Nesquik.
Yeah, it's like that.
And when we finish this, we'll go for a little walk round.
Yeah, just look around, see the seafront.
Yes. And all this Christmas stuff, and then over there are the streets and a market over there, and then the men are playing cards over there and dominoes. Oh, that was the cheapest we paid, €3 for 2 coffees and a cacao. Very good. Right, so we're up on the seafront now, and these are where the gentlemen are playing their dominoes and cards. And look at this lovely display they've got on the seafront. We've got a park area here, but they've got a train. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Little houses. The sled. Oh, why don't we do Christmas like this in the UK? They've got some more further down, and we're going to have a look at that as well. But let's look at the seafront first. Look. There you go. So over there they've got some umbrellas, and people are on the beach. Not so much in this area. It's sandy over there, so yeah. Nice, isn't it? I'm guessing where those people are, it's a lot calmer. Nice. Sun's come out. Look, getting warm. Oh. We'll go and have a look at the other Christmas decorations. They've got some camels and things, and then we'll have a little look round town. Look at that. Well, that's a good nativity, isn't it? And then the shepherds with the sheep here. And look at this tunnel we walked through. I can smell the sea, very fishy. Oh, look at the sea, how choppy it is. Oh. Power of the sea. Madeleine has just pointed out the cascade, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it. So it's coming down, the rock's there. See if I can zoom you in a bit, see if you can see it. When I was growing up and I lived up north by the sea, my granddad always used to tell me the most dangerous thing is the sea. It's more dangerous than fire, and I guess that's why I've always had an appreciation of it. And I do love the sea. I like it when it's calm, I like it when it has power. It's always different whenever you see it. It's never the same. And it's calming, whatever it's doing. That's why I love the sea so much. So we've just come back out the tunnel, and now we're going to go to the lighthouse. Up these steps here. And we can get another view from the lighthouse. Whoop. Watch my step. Graffiti. Dear, oh dear. Don't need that here, do they? Oh, these funny little steps. Oh, look at that view. Oh, we can't get in the lighthouse. Oh look, there's a football pitch down there. Oh look here. People have signed their names on each rock. I don't know who got all the way up there. Oh. Anyway, back down we go. Let's go and look around the town and the shops. So we're just going to take a wander through the town. And again, like all the other towns, they've got all these lights up ready for Christmas. All the way down the street. This is interesting, isn't it? What's in here? It's the information centre. Oh, that's cute. Right, and across the road you've got the market. Flowers. Oh, lots of pretty flowers and fruit. Another souvenir shop. Have a little look, see if there's anything for the grandchildren. Little Portugal suit. Ronaldo, of course.
What have you found, is it? Is it that one?
Oh, no.
This one?
No. That one? No. Está bueno, va a ser.
Yeah, let's go. The shop's going to be the same.